Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a lovely Mul-T-Lock 7-pin Garrison G10 Padlock. So here's the key, quite interesting bitting on it, all works nicely. So let's have a go, see if we can get inside this and see what it's got inside for us. So set that about there, should be okay. Make sure we're in focus and all locked up. And we'll begin at the beginning. So 1, we've got nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, we got a tiny little click, and that's gone solid. 5, 6, and we got a very slight false set. 7, counter rotation. A click, and we've kept the false set. Now I've got the pick stuck. Which one's it stuck on? I'm getting counter rotation. I think that's 2. We got a click. 1, counter rotation. And a click. 2, 3, we've got counter rotation and a click. 4, still solid. 5, counter rotation, and we are open. So let's get this out of here. The pinning tray over, adjust the camera, right, hopefully about there should do us. Why is it not opened? There we go, properly open now. And let's get this unscrewed. I've just got Phillips in there. And out comes the core. Stick that there. And what have we got? A clip on the back. Let's get that clip off first. Oh, and a clip that cooperates for a change. And we've got those pins in the way. So we'll turn it back that way slightly. That should do it. And that will be ball bearing dropped out, which I'd imagine sits in there for some reason. And there's all the pins. Let's stick the key in there, see them flush. There we go. Looks like we've actually got a different colour pin in the centre there as well. Let's dump these out, see what we've got. So we're standard standard, standard. That one's one of the torpedo pins we've seen in multi-locks before. That was in 4, standard, and a standard. So I'm sure you've seen these pins before, but this one we normally seem to get in a Garrison. Looks a bit like a bomb torpedo. So, and then let's have a look, see what we've got up top. So, nice long spool in 1, shorter spool in 2, long spool in 3, four. Let's get these springs out, they're getting in the way. Seven, spool again. 6 is a standard. And 5 is a standard. Sort the springs out. There we go. So all spools on the top, all standards at the bottom. Can't see anything special on there. That all looks standard. Oh, excuse me. But quite nice spools. Nice and sharp and long. Quick close up on those. So all standards on the bottom apart from 4, and all spools on the top. So there we go, the Garrison G10 padlock. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.